Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
Today we're gonna be test fitting the wheels. This the front here. This the back. Y'all want to see how I painted these? Look down in the description. I also had a video popping up, but I painted the back of the back barrel and up in here black, and I re-clear coated the brush. But we're gonna see what we gotta do to fit these on the box Chevy. So let me get my jack. I got my Milwaukee here. I just need to go get my jack, then we'll get started jacking it up, test fitting. Got the jack, and we got some lug nuts here, 7/16. I think he got these off Amazon or eBay. Which he gonna have to get some longer studs eventually, but we just got these to test fit. And he gonna have to change up the lug nuts when he get the longer studs. Got the panoramic on tip. Alright, let's get this wheel on. Alright. Get a jack up on there. Jack it up a little bit more. Might be good enough to. definitely got to get some longer studs. I think we're good on this one here. Let's drop it down, see what we got. All right, what y'all think? Yeah, he got to get some longer studs because he really ain't got no thread. That's why I was hand tightening it all the way around first before I started using the power tools, because I ain't want to strip nothing out. I think we're good though, as far as clearance. I won't know until I put all them on though. Guess we'll work our way to the back now. Okay, we're finna drop this side down here. Let me show you this side. It's not even out because I ain't put the other side on. Once I put the other side on, it'll bring this side down some. Alright, let me put the other side on, then we'll see what we got. But so far, look like we got good clearance. I don't even think I'm gonna have to cut into the chrome. But I'll know more once I put the wheels on the other side. Getting set up. About to do the last two. Got them hydraulics on it now. Gonna drop this down. There's one more. About to go down with it. This is what we got. The owner wanted it squatted, so I got some air shocks. I guess we're gonna do another video installing those because I know this video here. I just go ahead and upload this one. But we got some air shocks that we're gonna put on it to squat it. It look like we're good to go for us. Everything clearing. If anything, I gotta trim just a little bit. But y'all tell me what y'all think about it without squatting it. I need to pull it out. Let me pull it out right quick.
Stop.